Afternoon, Wayward Walker here, and we are in something called the Nightingale Forest, something similar. I got the Wayward Walker with me, who, as always, when we start a walk, has to stop and check everything out. Come on, Jack. This is a path, could be an old road. Not sure where it's going to go, what we're going to see. We were kind of in this area yesterday. I did not video anything, but it's called Cabbage Hill. And we did see, that was interesting. Didn't come across any foundations, but it was an interesting piece of land. I'm not sure what we're going to find here today. We are in, I believe we're either Woodstock, maybe Pompet, somewhere in that area. Beautiful day. Still summer, but it's like a fall day. Nice and cool. Quite a breeze. That's all we can see right now is mountain laurel. But yesterday, this Cabbage Hill was an old farm, Wyndham Land Trust property. This one doesn't say who, if anybody, it belongs to, but it is public land. So we're going to just head down the road and see what we come to. Yesterday was interesting because it was, like I said, it was a little farm, and you can see where the land had been improved, but there were hardly any walls at all. There were a lot of different stone piles. And I think most of them, I don't know, I think they were mostly stone dumps. And they just dumped the stones, and they weren't making walls, so they just dumped the stones that they had, because, as I said, the land was improved. There's an opening over there. I think there might be a pond up here. There was one that almost looked like it was an oval stone pile sunk in the middle. And I have read about ones like that turn out to be, they could possibly have been graves. Of course, I didn't dig in it, anything like that, so I don't know. But we're gonna keep going. See right in front of us there, it's kind of open. I believe I saw a pond there on the map. A little later in the day than we usually get out here, but it's a wall, something. A little later than we usually get out. But we weren't going to walk today, but Jack was anxious, wanted to get outside, wanted to do something, it was bothering me, so here we are. Let me get up here. Go up through here. All right, Jack, I'm gonna go up and see this flat spot. Here, come on, through here, come on. Narrow old pond, old road. I was very surprised I did not find any foundations up there yesterday. I'm probably going to go back again. I know I always say this, and I never do it, but one of these days I gotta get out and just get pour myself, because I'd be able to explore a whole lot better. All right, we're going into the mountain level zone. Let's see what we'll find up here, and we'll be back. All right, just took a little side trail. It's going to take us to this pond. I'm just going to dead end at the pond. But take a look at it, see what we see. Leave a lodge out there. See anything that looks like dam, mill. That's where we just were on that side. There. There's the pond. I'm gonna go back this way. Come on. Come on. To the little road, which actually had a sign on it that said trail. So let's keep going on down the road. Yeah, here's an interesting little stone pile. And these look like they've been placed there. Manipulated, as they say. We just spooked the deer, so now he wants to go find it. Of course, I didn't have my camera on. Come on, Jack. I don't know what this is. But it's interesting. Yeah, at the top of a little hill. It's it's good area. As I said again, it was maybe this pasture or something. It's been logged, but a lot of rocks. Haven't seen a wall. Let's just keep going. See where it takes us. See what else we find. All right, we have to turn around. So we hit a no trespassing sign. And Jack, let's go see what's over here. Nothing. No trail. Very similar to where we were yesterday so far. This I think was on. This is a logging road. I don't think it was a. It could have been a cart road, I suppose, but you could tell it's very wide. Very looks like it's been logged. Maybe 50 years ago. Let's see. As you can see, there's not a lot of cover in here. Ground cover or tree cover. Trees, but they're all small. So we're going to go back down towards that pond and keep heading up the main road according to the map. All trails. Trail will go up further. Kind of loop around and take us back to where we started. But so let's go up and see what we can find. See, this is another thing. Just how it was yesterday. I mean, just not a lot of rocks around. There's some, a couple there, one over there. Jack, why are you pulling me? So, which is why I think it was probably been improved. It's pretty flat here. So I just don't know. Maybe they just did want to put walls up. I don't know. Anyway, let's get this little side trail here. All right, I'll be back. All right, so we are still being dragged along. But anyway, I would say this is probably definitely been logged. There's a little side road. They look like roads here. They were probably loading areas. But I have to say this, if they were logging, it's certainly the neatest loggers that I've ever come across. Because there is just no stumps, no slash, nothing. So I don't know. Just another pile of rocks. Field trail. We're going to go this way only because I think it's going to have a posted sign up there not far. There's a road over there that we're not that far from. But anyway, it's open over there as well. Interesting section of woods. Yesterday and today. Not far from where we were yesterday, so. There we go. See what else we find. Alright, we just turned on to another little logging road here. And it's going to take us back where we started. Well, there's a couple of side roads here that I may come up again. We can actually come from a different area. It'll take us up here because it's the trail, the road we were on most of the time goes straight. Over the road that cuts off of there, also what we saw. It's just interesting. This road is just very interesting. This one looks almost like a regular road too. A lot firmer. It's a lot firmer than it was. Stones up there. Feel might be somewhat of a swamp though. Just got that feeling. Still no real walls, no foundations. Not much of anything, but it's just interesting. I'll probably be coming back again, I think. I'll go back up to that Cabbage Hill as well. Beautiful day out here though. Into another mountain wall tunnel. Common up here in northeast Connecticut. There we go. Keep going and see what we come to. There, I just came across this hole. Jack, come in here. Sorry about that. I saw a lot of these yesterday. They almost look like they were stumps were pulled out. Maybe that's what it was. Because it's not a well. It doesn't look like it was man-made. It's interesting. I found a lot on the other side too. Where I was yesterday. So I don't know. Interesting. Another interesting thing we find in the woods. Here's another one right here. Somebody pull out stumps for some kind of reason. Hard to say, I guess. We're just about at the end of the trail where we parked, and we have not slowed down at all. We're on about 2.5 miles, and we're good in 15 minutes. Well, okay, not really, but we quit because he has not stopped. But anyway, I've seen a few interesting things. Don't know what to make of it. My battery's just about dead, so say goodbye. Thanks for joining me. Like, share, subscribe, comment. And we will see you out in the woods the next time. I just crossed here. Looks like there was some kind of little dam, bridge maybe here at some point. Stacked rocks there. Could have been one of the abutments. Goes that way more. Small open field, look that way. I don't know. Did look on the NERA, Northeast Antiquities Research Association. It's right over there. I did look on their website. Couldn't find anything about this area. I did join them so I could have access to some of their archives, but so far I haven't really found anything of interest, such as where some of these stone chambers might be and other sites, but it's okay. Here's one of the things we came across a lot yesterday was these little sections, just a bunch of boulders, boulder field. Yeah, we're coming to a junction. So let's see. Hold on. I'll take a look at the map, figure out which way I want to go. What's that say? Loop back trail. Okay, I'll go that way then. Just, I don't know if it's this one or that one. Well, we'll go up and see where it goes. Come on. Come on. Jack. Boy, he's being stubborn today. A very strange mood today. Behaving very strangely. Come on. All right. This could be a little wall here. I just passed the remaining of an old wall. Some kind of corners off. And actually over there, you can't see it from here, but I saw the first slash pile area. All right, let's see now, look at this. Come here. This is what I was finding yesterday, these little piles of stones. And these are all small. So I wonder if this was a prayer pile, stone prayer pile, whatever you want to call them. At some point. And these even look a lot older than the ones I saw yesterday. Well, that is definitely, well, there was a wall or a stone row. I don't know. We are in Native American country here. It's just interesting because there's not a lot of stuff. But when I find something, it's just interesting to look at. Spalding site must be the loggers. Looks like they've been logging up here recently though. They're in good shape. Well, keep looking. Yeah. A little line of stones, maybe. Stone row. Small. Not. Come here, Jack. Let's go this way for a minute. Come on. All right. You know, this is the possibility too that these piled here by the loggers when they were doing their thing and they had rocks in the way. They just moved them, put them on a line, I guess. Hard to say. Yeah, we're just about at the end of the trail where we parked, and we have not slowed down at all. We're gone about 2.5 miles, and we're dead in 15 minutes. Well, okay, not really, but we quit because he has not stopped. But anyway, I've seen a few interesting things. Don't know what to make of it. My battery's just about dead, so say goodbye. Thanks for joining me. Like, share, subscribe, comment. And we will see you out in the woods the next time.